Folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in iOS 13. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take full page screenshots, or one really long screenshot of a web page, or maybe you have a long email message that you got. So instead of having to take multiple screenshots to capture the entire website or the entire document, you can now take one long full page screenshot. This is a brand new feature in iOS 13, and it works in all of the major Apple apps such as Safari, Mail, Notes, Maps, Pages, Numbers, etc. Let me show you how to do it. So open up Safari, go to any website. This is my homepage, mikemurphy.co. This is the top of my website, and I'm going to scroll here all the way to the footer. I'm going to take one screenshot of this entire page. To take a screenshot on the iPhone X, I'm going to first press the volume up button, and then I'm going to press the side button, okay? So volume up, side button to take a screenshot. I'm going to tap on the preview there in the bottom left corner. This is my screenshot. You're probably familiar with this. If you look in the top left, you'll see screen. And now if I tap on the right one, full page. If you look over on the right, I can scroll down here. This is the entire website. Pretty cool, huh? So that's just one long screenshot. You can mark it up just like you can any screenshot. If you look at the very bottom, you got those brushes. I can add text. I can add all sorts of markup. And maybe you don't want the entire page. Well, you can use the crop tool in the top left. So tap on that. And now you can actually crop the page. Cancel to go back. You can also click on the share button in the top right. You all know how to use the share button. You can do AirDrop. You can send it to mail, messages, all sorts of things. Or you just click on the done button. You can delete the screenshot or click on save PDF to files. You can select the location, and I'm just going to click on downloads, click on save in the top right corner. Now all I need to do is click on the Files app, but a little bonus tip for iOS 13, if I press and hold on the Files app, it'll show me the most recent. All I need to do is tap on that, and that is that PDF that I just created of the entire website. Otherwise, just tap on Files, navigate to the folder. I saved it in Downloads, and there it is. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you take a full page screenshot in iOS 13. Cheers.